Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at this electric cheese grater and salad maker that was sent out to me. Now it does arrive with a starter manual to kind of help you get started. It's going to kind of walk you through a lot of the different features, all the different blades, how to assemble everything. I'm going to also try to show you the majority of that in this video as well, but I did want you guys to be aware of the fact that the manual does come with it. All right, so in the box, as you guys can see, very well packaged is the actual device itself. It comes with some accessories. You get a cleaning brush here. You get some safety gloves, which are really nice. You also receive a cleaning brush. That's for getting into the blades to be able to get all the little particles out. This is the actual cheese grater, salad maker. All right, so you also receive this box is going to be filled with your blades. All right, as you guys can see, very well packaged. You have your different blades. They're already separated into pairs, and this is very easy to assemble. So you have 5 different blades to choose from. This is the head unit that actually connects to the cheese grater. So as you guys can see, everything is separated very nicely. Here's your pusher. It has a little cover here on the top that you can pop off. And this is just a little guide for the pusher. Just kind of goes in like that. The blade assembly is this unit that you guys see here, and each one of the blades clip onto this depending on which blade you're going to use. You're just going to drop this in where you guys see the little X there, and you would just rotate this until it locks in place, and now you'll be able to use this. So that comes really easy to assemble, real easy to take apart. All right, so let's get this guy together. I am going to be making some chips for you guys today. So I'll show you how we go about doing that. So these blades are the ones that I plan on using. Now I do recommend that you always wash anything like this when you first purchase it, but you guys see pretty much what those blades look like. So we're going to go ahead and wash those. All right guys, so the assembly is really easy. These are just going to fit in right here at the base. So you're going to clip this in like so. You're just going to clip it in like that. Press. It's going to lock into place. You're going to do the same on the opposite side. Just going to fit it in like so. Press. Locks in place. Okay. All right. So let's get this guy set up. It does have an integrated handle for picking it up. So if you want to move it around, the metal facing is covered. So you're just going to remove that. This is 302 steel. All right, as you guys can see, beautiful stainless steel. This is what it looks like from the back. You also have these little rubberized feet underneath here. You'll find your cord, and it has a cord keeper underneath as well for storage, which is really nice. You have your on and off switch here at the top. You also have this little button right here for releasing the mechanism once you have it in place. So this way, the way this works, you're just going to take this, rotate it in like so. Now that's pretty much locked in place. Then you're going to take your blades and your barrel, and you're going to insert that as well. You're just going to rotate to make sure that you have that cross hatch as you guys see here. Now we can grab our potatoes and we can start to make our chips. All right, so considering the size and the diameter of this unit, I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do all the time. So what I'll do is I will start off with giving the potato a basic shape. So I will cut off the bottom. I will cut off the top. And then sometimes, depending on the shape of the potato, I will also trim off the sides just to give it a consistent shape. You can still use all of these different pieces as well, so you're not going to lose anything. So I'm just cutting this down. This is very easy. So all of these pieces of potato, we're going to actually use these as well. But for now, we're just going to show you guys what it's like to actually make the chips. So as you guys can see, this is going to fit better inside here. All right, so let's grab a container. I always like to add just a little bit of water into the container because that's just going to help for the chips, especially if you're going to be storing them for any length of time. All right, so first things first, all we have to do is turn this guy on. So you're just going to rotate into the on, and now you guys see it starting to rotate. So I'm going to rotate this around so you guys can see what this looks like a lot better, so you guys can see the process. All right, so again, we're going to switch it to the on position. We're going to take our potato, place that in like so. Take our pusher. And then we can switch it off. And of course you can just rotate this out when you need to make sure you get all of the other pieces of potato out. So our objective here is kind of a rippled chip. That's what we have here. There's a few little loose pieces, but trust me, those will not go to waste. But this is really what we're looking for, is something like this for our chips. So I'm going to fry these up real quick and show you guys what these look like once we have them completely fried up. All right, guys, so here are our little chips. All we need is to add a little seasoning to them, drop a little of that Chef Slap Your Mama on there, and you have some amazing crunchy chips. These are so good, and all made possible super fast, guys, with this cheese grater slash salad maker. We were able to create these amazing fries. So if you guys are looking for something to speed up your food processing, to speed up your food prep, this might be the perfect product for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.